My name is Kyle Bartholomew. I am the owner of Bart's Asphalt. We offer crack sealing, seal coating, line striping, mill and patch, infrared repairs, and just regular hot mix pothole patching. We decided to invest in infrared asphalt repairs through KM just because of the low cost of entry. Before we had the infrared machine, we were just doing hot mix pothole patching. Hot mix pothole patching just was not the same quality, and it didn't last as long as the infrared repair. You'd patch it in July, and then by the time winter comes along, even with a great quality repair, snowplows were ripping it up, snow and ice were destroying them. So the snow and ice season up here in Michigan is pretty severe. Basically from the end of December through the end of February, there's snow and ice coming down almost every single day. Snowplows are going nonstop and it's destroying the asphalt here. So with the infrared repair process, we've definitely been able to lengthen our season. We're able to start a little bit earlier using KM's hot box, or be able to source hot mix asphalt from other asphalt companies in the area during the winter months. Being able to extend our season with the infrared repair process has definitely increased our revenue. For me, extending the season is vital to employee retention so that they stay at Bart's Asphalt, become more educated in the industry and become more specialized and can complete those repairs quicker for the next season. On average, we run our infrared unit probably about 130 to 135 days a year. Once we switched over to primarily doing infrared repairs, our business actually exploded. We were able to service commercial customers and just do more spot repairs. So we were able to go through a parking lot and choose out, 25 to 50 different areas that needed to be serviced. Our commercial customers realized that those patches were holding up for years. They wanted more and more of them. So as we got into one commercial customer, they refer us to another. So in terms of our profitability with our infrared repairs, we're generally around 75 to 85% gross profit, depending on the project that we're working on. When the repairs are all close together and the asphalt's in a great condition where we can just rip through them, those jobs go extremely smoothly. As you kind of get into repairs that are spaced out, it's definitely going to slow down. But in terms of our revenue growth and profitability, it's been unparalleled. When purchasing an infrared unit, one of the items I took into consideration was the crew size. So in terms of being able to go out there and do a mill and patch job, you're going to need extensive equipment, you're going to need highly specialized crews, you're going to need 4 to 5 guys. With our infrared teams, we're able to go out there at a minimum of 2 guys. Ideally we have 3, but in terms of our crew footprint, we're able to go out there with just a couple guys. KM International has been absolutely incredible with their customer support. When we started learning the infrared repair process, they were there to answer any single question about the machines, the repair process, best practices. They have never hesitated to pick up the phone for me. I've developed a great relationship with KM just from learning their process. If you're looking to grow your business, I would highly recommend calling KM International for all of your infrared repair needs.